Hello guys, welcome to our channel RTcrafts. We are going to the Big Hill Spring Provincial Park in the foothills of Alberta's Rocky Mountain, and it's like about 40 kilometers in the northwest of Calgary, Alberta, Canada. This is a really nice park. I really enjoy this place. This place is one of my favorite places beside the Calgary. If you don't want to go so far, so you can come here, you can see the very nice greenery here and the waterfalls, and you can do very small hike as well, and it's really maintained place. The last year in the summer they closed it because they were doing some maintaining, because you can see those bridges, they are kind of new, because before it was old. Now everything is new, and Alberta Park Authority, they did really good job. And let's look around and let's start our hike, and I will show you everything, how the parks, how the hike. And I will keep updating you guys if there will be anything to share with you. I will do that. Now we will enjoy our time. You can see this waterfall is really beautiful. That's the main attraction point in this park, I can see, I really love it, and it's really nice and peaceful, and we really enjoy walking here and hiking here. And the greenery, that's one of the best part of this park. So green, so calm, and you won't even see lots of people here. It's not so busy place, and so if somebody like the calm place and do hiking, they can absolutely come here. They must visit this place, and it's not so far from Calgary too. And look at this, guys, so green, and it's really make me so relaxed, and it's so amazing whenever I see that much greenery and do hike and get some fresh air, especially the air of Alberta, high rich oxygen. And look at this water, guys, so clean, crystal clear water. And here they made the two hikes now. Before it was only one hike, so now there is one hike is on the south side, one is north side. So we chose the south one because I have done this hike before, like almost maybe 2 years ago. I came it when it was open, because last year they closed it for renovation and stuff. So it's a really nice place, and I love to come here because I don't know about you guys, but I am really in a love with the greenery. I love mountains, I love the hikes. Actually here they closed the north side of the south side of hike, so we just decided to go on this uphill because I knew that this will go to the old hike, and let's see where it will take us. Okay, so look at this hike, guys, so high, but we're gonna do it because I know this way go to the other side of the hike, and let's see, maybe we can see any hidden place or something really amazing. So it's really nice here, like you won't see anybody, people, it's not so busy, like it's really nice. Like this is the view from the top of the hill, and look at the greenery, man. So here the hike is closed, so now we are going need to go back. We can cross this because before, if you will cross this, you will go down to the parking lot. Thank you so much guys for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned, we will be bringing more content like this. Have a good one.